Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Insightly CRM projects and contacts, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Insightly CRM projects and contacts, start by logging into your Insightly. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Contacts tab. In the Contacts section, look for the Export button, usually found on the top right corner of the screen. Click the Export button to initiate the download of your contact information. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose the format for your export. Select your preferred format, typically CSV or Excel, for easy access later. Once you've made your selection, click Export again to confirm the download. The file containing your contacts will now be prepared. Once the export process is complete, a zip file will download to your computer. Next, return to the main menu and click on the Projects tab. Similar to exporting contacts, look for the Export button in the Projects section. Click this button to start the backup process for your projects. Again, a dialog box will prompt you to select your desired file format. Choose either CSV or Excel, depending on your needs, and click Export to initiate the download. Wait for the system to compile your project data. When the process is complete, a zip file of your projects will be downloaded. Make sure to save both files in a secure location on your computer. For further security, consider backing up these files to a cloud storage solution. Regularly performing this backup process will ensure your data is protected. Now you can manage your Insightly CRM data with confidence knowing you have backups of your contacts and projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.